Hello everyone. I'm Safi and I'm Sip and I'm Sara and I'm 4. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Safi and Sara's Crafty Corner. Hello! Hello everyone. I just want to show you our Eid presents that we got this year. This one is mine. And that's a mermaid and a crab and jellyfish and a tram and some bubbles.
And it's a rucksack, isn't it? That you colour in yourself. So it says colour your own fashion set. Oh yeah. And what's yours?
And towel. My one is a unicorn, castle, crown, diamond, moon, heart, flower, crystal. Rainbow, and some clouds.
Lovely. And
I like them store. We've also got bottles. Yeah. A book. And a pen. And some colours to colour in the bag.
Okay, let's get them all out, shall we?
Okay.
Right, we'll have to get some scissors.
So, we opened the book, the bottle, the pens, the colouring pens, and the bags. And now we're gonna draw colour on the bags. I'm gonna show you the book.
Lovely. I love those.
Sara has some. They're really soft and squishy. And this is you can do this with the pen too.
Sara, you have a go.
It's fun. Look at this, it's so fun.
What did you say?
We can put them back too, but it's a bit hard.
Is that a pen then?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know it was a pen. How do you make it work?
I don't know.
You twist it, I think.
I think you have to put ink in it.
No, you twist it. Look.
Oh.
She did it. Well done.
So we twist it that way to open it, and we twist it the other way to shut it.
Lovely. And you got your drinks bottles and your colouring pens?
Yeah, I think we should take our drinks bottles to school.
You can.
Yeah, when we're bigger.
Yeah.
Wait, we could take them to school after holidays. Half term.
Easter holidays. Yes.
Easter holidays.
Yes, you can.
I'm using orange, pink, green, blue, dark blue and yellow for my bag. Okay. This too.
Yes, so what colour are you using on your lovely mermaid, Sara? How about yellow hair?
What colour? No, orange.
Okay, go on then.
Too hard. I'm gonna do a multicolored unicorn.
It's okay, it doesn't matter.
I'll start with pink. Where should I start? I've done a multicolored unicorn.
It's lovely.
Oh.
I love your bag, Sara.
I did the art and mermaid.
And you're going to colour this in? What colour is he going to be? The jellyfish?
Pink.
Pink? Okay, go ahead. And then let's see yours, Sophia. Oh my gosh, look at your multicoloured unicorn. Let me have a look, sweetheart. Oh, look at that. I love it. You've been busy, my darling. You look lovely doing that. Oh, wow, Sara. Well done, girls. What colour's the cloud going to be?
What cloud? Oh, blue.
Okay, yeah, that sounds good. You're doing a really good job there, Sara. Concentrating so well.
What colour should the background be?
I think you should say white. I think it makes it look everything bright.
Should it be multicoloured?
It's up to you.
I think I want to do it multicoloured.
Wow, that's going to be hard, love.
Yeah. How am I going to do that? That
You can do it, love. Just concentrate.
That concentrate. How do you concentrate with this noise?
What noise?
Mummy,
Yeah?
do you want to see how I coloured my bag?
Yes.
I'm done.
Okay, show us.
Are you ready?
Ready?
You sure?
Yes. I can't wait to see it. Show me. Whoa, let's see. Wow, it's stunning. And look at all the rainbow colours going off it as well. It's lush. Let's see. I love it. Are you proud of it?
Yeah.
Look at the wonderful background. You really did do a multicoloured background. How did you learn to do that? It's beautiful.
I want to see if the straps fit me.
Okay. Can we see Sara's now?
We're finished.
Let's see Sara's. Look at that. I love your crab and your jellyfish. And I love the background. That's gorgeous. And look at yours. Oh, they're lovely.
Bye, everyone. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Bye-bye.